This video covers 2008 to 2012 Honda 3.5-liter motors only. If your car does not show the symptoms described in this video, it is likely that it was dealt with by the dealership. There was a class action lawsuit which resulted in an 8-year extended warranty or 125,000 miles, whichever came first. The codes generally associated with this issue are the P0301, P0302, P0303, and the P0304, all misfire codes. Other codes associated with this issue are the P0420, number 2 O2 sensor, and a P0430, a catalytic converter. I'm going to pull the plugs out and show you the signs of this issue. This is number 2 plug, the one the customer is having problems with. Only 987 miles on this set of plugs. The cause of this problem. The piston rings on certain cylinders may rotate and align, which can lead to spark plug fouling. This can set DTC's P0301, number 1 cylinder misfire detected, P0302, number 2 cylinder misfire detected, P0303, number 3 cylinder misfire detected, and P0304, number 4 cylinder misfire detected, and can cause the mill light to come on. Corrective action. 2008 to 2012 models. Complete the diagnostic procedures and, if necessary, update the PCM and replace affected spark plugs. If the vehicle returns after the updated PCM software and spark plug replacement have been installed, clean the pistons and replace piston rings along with the spark plugs. I contacted my local Honda dealership and inquired about the customer's VIN number update. I was told the update never worked, never achieved anything, and that the vehicle always came back for the piston cleaning and ring replacement, and that service cost around $4,000. My suggestion, one of 3 things: sell it, or do some extra maintenance, or get a new motor. If you choose to keep the vehicle, I highly suggest changing the plugs on a much regular basis, and every 3,000 to 6,000 miles you're going to need to run some CataClean through the fuel system, which will help clean your O2 sensor and your catalytic converter system. I know, not good news. This customer chose the more maintenance route because he loves the way the vehicle drives, and he says it does run well even with the check engine light on. Thank you for watching. If this video helped, please hammer that like and subscribe button.